welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is all about beautiful nails. We are going to talk about the much hyped and trending press-on nails. Now let's see what are these and how to apply them. Well, I have this package here. I ordered these from Alps Nail Art. It's a page on Instagram.
Find a middle ground.
So what I've received is these are 2 nail kits, and one of the boxes consists 11 pieces of nails.
Just get along.
So that is 22 pieces I've got in the kit. A glue tab sheet. This is how it looks, and we get a nail tweezer or scraper kind of equipment, and then there's this nail filer. There's another card in this kit which is your size kit. So if you do not know what size actually fits your nails, so you can identify using this sample nail pieces, and then when you order next, you can order for the exact size that suits you, and then you get some alcohol swabs. Now let's see how we apply them. Okay, so step 1, we are going to clean our nails with alcohol swabs.
We'll find a middle ground and get along. Someday, some way. We'll leave it all aside and move on.
So after cleaning my nails, we will apply the glue tabs. So you take this tweezer or scraper equipment, and you take out a piece of glue tab from the glue sheet with the help of the scraper or tweezer, and you apply it directly on the nail from one end, and you press it from the other end of the tweezer, or you can even use your fingers to press it. So when one side is stuck to your nail, you scrape off upper end of the glue tab. This is how it's done. I take out the size of my thumbnail, which is, it's the size number T1. That's what it is. So I'm just going to apply this over the glue tab and press it real nicely. Look at that. I mean, wow. This is amazing. I mean, it just took me 1 minute to apply the nails. Isn't it amazing? And the one thing that I love about these nails is that it's not too curved as happens in the salon nails. When you get your gel nails done, they are a bit curved and thick over your nail bed. But these are so thin lined, and they're absolutely natural. I mean, they look like your nails. I'm amazed. Let's do on the other nails.
Someday, some way. We'll find a middle ground and get along.
This is my size.
We'll leave it all aside and move on. Just get along. Move on. Someday, someday.
Done, and I am absolutely loving these. These look like just my nails. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, let's quickly do the other hand, and then we'll talk about the pros and cons of it.
Someday, some way. We'll find a middle ground and get along. Someday, some way. We'll leave it all aside and move on.
And I am ready to go out. I don't know where in coronavirus. Okay, I am ready, and these look absolutely beautiful. they're so natural. Okay, let's talk about the good things about these nails. Firstly, they save health loads of your time. You don't have to take an appointment to go to the salon, sit for hours to get your nails done, all buffing and all the gel and all the mess. You save yourself from all of the mess, and that is one major pro of these nails. Secondly, you can apply this anywhere, wherever you're sitting, whenever. It is just going to take 10 minutes max. Another interesting and major point of these nails is that you do not have to compromise with the health of your natural nail beds. You don't go through any buffing, you don't go through any hot gels on your nails. You just have to apply the glue tabs, which come off very easily in hot water. Lastly, the major pro of these nails is that they are reusable. So you can reuse them up to an n number of times until your glue tabs, you run out of glue tabs. You can apply these as many times as you want until you lose them or you break them. That's up to you. Otherwise, they are reusable and you do not have to take any worries about getting refills done or anything. You just have to take them off when you're done with it, and you can reapply them whenever you want it. So no worries of refills either. So you saved so much of money. Okay, one more thing that you can do, you can make some variations with these nails, is that you can apply any kind of nail polish that you want. But keep this in mind, once you apply any nail paint or any gel nail color, you cannot of course remove it. So when you're bored of these French nails, or the boring monotonous color, you can add some pop, but you cannot go back to the monotonous French nails. Okay, now let's look at some of the cons of these nails. One thing is that you cannot apply pressure, or you cannot pull up very tight jeans using these nails, because they might come off. You're just getting the hold of double-sided tape, just the glue tabs. So you have to be very easy and delicate with these nails. Okay, another thing is that they tend to catch on stains. They get stained very easily, like turmeric stains or stains like that. And it's not that easy to remove them, because you cannot use acetone over these nails. Again, this will compromise with the look of your nails. I would recommend to carry these alcohol swabs, which are very easy to carry, and you can use it anywhere. If you get stain on your nails, just immediately open these alcohol swabs and wipe it off. So that would actually prevent you from getting on nails, stains on the nails. Thirdly, I personally believe that the glue tabs are not enough for multiple uses, since they claim that you can reuse these nails multiple times. But the glue tabs are not enough for multiple uses. You probably use them for like 2 or 3 more times. What I've used out of these glue tabs is majority of the glue tabs. So of course I would need another pair of glue tab sheets. So either you buy them separately, or you get liquid nail glue from the market. So I think the pros of these nails are better and more than the cons of these nails. So I think I would go with these nails. These nails get a thumbs up from me, and a big shout out to Al's nail art, because these are hand curated, and she puts in a lot of effort on these nails to make these nails for you. So a big shout out especially to her, because she's put in a lot of efforts to just make our nails look beautiful. So a great thumbs up for Al's nail art. I hope you guys like this video, and I would really want to know if you've tried these nails and what did you like about them, or if you would go to salon and get your nail gels done, or if you would prefer these press-on nails, and why. Do let me know it in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn on the notifications. Also let me know if you would like to see more such videos like this. I will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Someday